Okay, let's see. Now we have my order. What do we need to do? We need to append it to my text area. So the last thing I did in my text area is to put this line separator. So I just need to copy this again and say go ahead and append the following: my order. Okay, let us take a look at it. Compiling, no errors, running. We start milk 2.5, quantity of 4, show order. So I have 4 boxes of milk at a price $2.5. The total is 10. Of course, maybe I could have put a $sign in here. So let us go and add something else. Soda, and the price is 1 and the quantity is 7, show order. So I have them available the way I want them. Now I need to have the total. So I will close this, exit my application, and right now I need to add the total. The total is the global variable that I created up here, which is it's double type, and as you see it's still unused. It's equal to 0. Just like I did with my order, I will also say here that total is equal to total plus the price times quantity, or you can use the shortcut version of this, which is plus equals. So this means total is equal to total plus something, and I will add in here the price times quantity. Okay, and right now what I need to do is to append it after I put my order. So after I put all my orders, I need to append the total, but before that I need to put another line, and let me put even another line break in here. So right now I have this, and I will append now the total. So I will append here string dot, remember because total is a double, so value of, and then have the total. Okay, all right, let us take a look at it. Again, milk 2.5, quantity 4, 10, and I see here the total. Maybe I should have just added a nice little text saying your total is, okay. So let me add something else just to make sure it's working. Soda, and the price we said is 1, 7, show order. So I have 17, 10 plus 7. Everything is working. So let us just close again and do the final touch. All right. Now what I want to do, I want to use the number formatting available in Java and the local classes to format my total into a dollar, into a currency. Okay, to do that I need to do a couple of imports. So I will go to the import area and I will import here the text dot, it should actually give, I forgot, Java dot text dot, what's available in here is the number format class, and then I will import also the Java dot the util for utilities package, and I will use the locale. The locale usually have information about the locale, something like the time, the currency, and so on. So right now I imported those two classes. What I need to do right now is to create one more global variable right here on the class level. So I will create a private number format. So this is the class that I just imported, and I will choose a money format. Basically I need a currency, so I will create a variable and I will call it money format, or MF for short. So this is the name of the variable, and I will say this is equal to the number format class dot get currency instance. So I will use that. This one, it takes in a locale, so I will specify what locale I need, and I will say locale dot, and then I will choose the US. Okay, I'm done. Now I have a variable called MF, which is just short for money format, and I use the get currency instance to set it to dollars. I will use this formatting on the total. Okay, remember I have, where is it? Right here. All right, so I have here string dot value of total. What I can do for this total, I can say I have the MF, which is a number format variable. I can use the format method, so I can say format my double. Okay, and it just picked up some information here, so I will just say price, get rid of it, total, and make sure all braces are closed. There's still one more, which is this one. So yes, do format the total for me into whatever I specified in my MF, which is currency using the US locale. Okay, one last thing. We said that we wanted to append a little text message just before that number saying your total is, you notice that I didn't put any line breaks in here. Let us test it. Compiling, running, no errors, milk 2.5, quantities 4. Your total is, and as you see I got the dollar signs, this is the currency formatting that I used. And again, one last time, soda price is 1, quantity 8, and I have the total is available. So again, in this lesson we learned how to create a simple desktop application with Java using NetBeans, and we also learned the use of variables in Java. We saw variables of different types, the string type, the int type, the double type, and so on. Of course, our application is still not perfect. It's far from perfect actually. We did not anticipate for any errors. What happens if I enter here a non-numeric value and I try to parse it into double, or to parse this into integer? Of course, I will have all kinds of problems. In the next lesson, we will learn how to deal with errors. Thank you and goodbye.